Cooper, the coffee maker, is gearing up for the morning rush, eager to serve the household with freshly brewed enthusiasm. But today, something's off. His filter is clogged, causing him to sputter and spill coffee all over the counter. Cooper feels embarrassed and stressed with every spill, fearing he'll be replaced by a newer model. His friends, Sammy the sponge and Harriet the hairdryer, join forces to help him. Sammy cleans up the mess while Harriet blows away the soggy grounds. Together, they discover that friendship and teamwork can unclog any dilemma, restoring Cooper's morning confidence and proving no task is too big when tackled together.